Let's take one quick ride here tonight. The 4th of September 2024 here at Laaksokatu 3 staircase bay. It was built in 1995 but unfortunately replaced in 2024. It's brand new.
Yeah.
Maybe it was Isabel before.
Yeah.
So it's 4538723.
Yeah. It's 1 month old only. We should have been here in July if it was still, or maybe it was already started, but I don't know.
Great staircase bay probably had started at least.
Yeah, at least. But maybe also this one. Yeah.
The best is 8 version source in diagrams. Yeah, and you can press 0.
Yeah. This bike is maintained by Kone.
It was probably built at the beginning of 1990.
That's